we said in the opening, we're bringing you an ab workout today. We're going to hit every part of the abs. So let me show you real quick. We're going to hit the top part. We're going to hit the lower part. We're going to hit the obliques. And we're going to also hit something for core too as well. Okay? So let's go with the first one that we're going to do. We're going to work on just regular sit-ups with the basketball. Even though the basketball might not weigh that much, it's also a good thing for stability and to help you get more movement too as well. So let's go with the first one. Let's go basketball crunches / sit-ups. 30 seconds, off for 10 to 15 reps. There goes your basketball sit-up / crunches right there. Next up, what we want to do, we want to work on that same area, okay? We want to make all of our abs strong. So this is another sit-up workout, but it's a lot harder. So we want to put our legs right here in kind of like a diamond form. And this time, we want to take the ball over our head and then bring it all the way up forward here too as well. So let's check it out. Same amount of reps, same amount of time, doesn't matter as long as you're working. Next up, we want to work the side of our core, okay? The side of our abs. These are called the obliques. We just call it the side abs, just for less terms, all right? We're going to take the basketball. What we're going to do, have our legs in kind of like a 90-degree angle, and we're going to move the basketball back and forth, okay? 30 seconds. If you want to challenge yourself, go for a minute. I don't care, as long as you're working. Let's do it together. Those are called Russian twists. Works your obliques, works your side abs. You're feeling great afterwards. Next up, what we want to do, we want to work our lower core, okay? Our lower core. Like I said earlier, we can use the basketball for more stability, help yourself out, help get stronger, all right? This first one that we're going to show you is called flutter kicks. So we want to be in a nice straight angle. Hold the ball up top here to work on your core. We're going to use this part only to have our legs move at a fast motion. You're going to be stronger and dunking on people as soon as possible. Let's check it out, flutter kicks. Shoot for 30 to 45 seconds until you burn out. I can go all day, but we don't want to make this video too long. All right. So the next one that we want to do is also work on our lower core. All right. You can do two things. There's a lot of ab workouts out there that you can do. We're going to give you more, but we're just going to give you a little snippet right now, okay? Let's get back into the flutter kicks that we just did, but instead of going up and down, we're going to go at a side motion now too as well. Let's check it out. Same amount of time, our reps, and let's make it happen. Right now, you should be sweating, you should be burning, you should feel like you have like a 12 pack right now, okay? Last but not least, we're gonna work on our core. Core is different than your abs. Your abs are what's on the outside. Your core is what's on the inside. That makes you stable, that keeps you balanced, that has you different type of motions, And even if you're not a basketball player, you need to have a strong core because it helps you with other parts of your body too as well. So the first one that we want to do is the good old plank, okay? The good old plank is also will help you with other parts of your body, like I said. And it's easy. It's easy, but we're going to show you a challenging one just right after this with the basketball. So there's two types of planks that you can do. You can do one on your forearms, or you can do one on your hands too as well. I'll show you both. First up we have is the forearms. Feet together, back straight, your butt down, get into your happy place. Feel good. If you're a beginner, start off with 30 seconds. If you're an expert, get 1 minute and above. And now for the other plank, you just go up into your hands. Right here. This is for beginners right here. And then the harder you get, is the lower that you get. Okay? This also adds a lot of good upper body strength as well as your core. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, here's a little bonus. Let's add the basketball into it. You can go on your hands, you can go on your forearms too as well, but this time you're going to put your feet on the basketball and try to be stable and balanced the whole time. Let's check it out. So the first one we have is our hands. We're here. Focused. And that right there is your at-home ab workout. Do this at home, do this at the park. You feel better, be ready for basketball whenever it comes back.